Eagle County investigators need help finding this man accused of intentionally coughing on another shopper's groceries. The sheriff's office says the man was told to keep 6 feet from people at Village Market in Edwards amid social distancing guidelines. Then they say he went on a rant about falling for the media hype, then coughed on another customer's groceries. Investigators believe the man is a local resident. Anyone with any information about who he might be is asked to call the Eagle County Sheriff's Office at 970-328-8500. Katie Johnston, covering Colorado First.